Sundays feel different. They don't rush in like Mondays. They don't carry the weight of work or deadlines. Sundays arrive slowly, like a soft breeze, like warm sunlight on your face. When I wake up on Sunday, I don't set an alarm. I let my body decide when it's ready. Sometimes I wake up early, sometimes a little late. Either way, I stay in bed for a few minutes. I listen to the quiet. I stretch gently. I feel the softness of the blanket and the calm in the air. The world outside is peaceful. No traffic sounds, just birds. Maybe a dog barking far away. I open the window and let the fresh air in. It smells clean, like morning. I walk to the kitchen slowly. My slippers make a soft sound on the floor. I boil water for tea, green tea, or chamomile, something light. While the water heats, I look outside. The trees move gently. The sky is soft blue. I sit near the window with my tea. I don't check my phone. I just sit. Sip. Breathe. Sometimes I write in my journal. Just a few lines. How I feel. What I'm thankful for. It helps me start the day with peace. This is how my Sunday begins. No rush. No noise. Just quiet moments. Just me. And as the morning continues, I follow the rhythm of the day. Slowly. Gently. If you're watching this, I'd love to know. How do your Sundays begin? Do you have a morning ritual or a favorite tea? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read everyone. After a slow morning, I like to move a little. I change into soft clothes, maybe a loose shirt and comfortable pants. Then I go for a walk. Not far, just around the block or to a nearby park. The streets are quiet. People walk slowly. Some smile and say hello. There's a calm feeling everywhere. I notice flowers, trees, and sometimes a cat sitting in the sun. Walking helps me clear my mind. I don't think too much. I just enjoy the moment. When I come back home, I make a light breakfast. Maybe toast with peanut butter or oatmeal with honey and banana. I eat slowly. Sometimes I read a book while eating. Right now I'm reading The Little Prince. It's simple, but so full of meaning. After breakfast, I water my plants. They sit near the window, reaching for the sun. I touch their leaves gently. I talk to them sometimes. It makes me smile. Then I do something creative. I might draw, write, or listen to music. Nothing serious, just for fun. Just for peace, I play soft music, piano or guitar. It fills the room with calm. There's no schedule, no plan. I follow what feels good. Sunday is my day to rest, to enjoy small things, to feel light and free. What's your favorite Sunday activity? Do you like walking, reading, or maybe just doing nothing at all? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your peaceful moments. As the sun begins to set, the light changes. It becomes golden, warm, like the day is saying goodbye. I light a candle. Its glow makes the room feel cozy. I sit quietly for a few minutes, watching the flame. Dinner is simple. Maybe rice and vegetables, or soup with bread. I cook slowly. I enjoy the sounds, the chopping, the boiling, the soft music in the background. After dinner, I clean up gently. No rush. Then I make one last cup of tea. Something calming, like mint or lavender. I take my tea to my favorite corner, There's a soft blanket there, a small lamp. I sit down and relax. I think about the day. What made me smile? What did I learn? What do I want to remember? Sometimes I write a few lines in my journal. Sometimes I just sit in silence. Before bed, I read a few pages of my book. The words feel slower at night. They stay with me. Then I turn off the lights. I lie down. I feel calm. I feel thankful. That's my Sunday. A day of peace. A day of small joys. A day of peace. If this video helped you feel calm or inspired, leave a comment below. What does your Sunday look like? And if you're learning English, tell me. Was this story easy to follow? Thank you for spending time with me. Take a deep breath. Be kind to yourself. And remember, slow days are beautiful too. See you next time.